All right, hello, fourth grade, Mr. Mush here. So we're going to continue working with Roy Lichtenstein. And this project we talked about how he liked to take onomatopoeias and blow them up really big as well from comics. So we're going to make our own word art, all right? So you're going to pick a word and then make designs around it. The examples that I provided have newspapers. That's how we would normally do it. If you have newspaper and want to do a collage and draw it and then paint it, you can totally do that. If you don't have those things, I'm going to show you just how to do it with white paper. All right, white paper and crowns. All right, so your paper should be hamburger style. Okay, I'm going to write my name, Mr. Mush. I'm going to flip my paper over. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make like an explosion thing in the middle of my page. It's kind of like drawing waves, like when you draw a picture at the beach, but you're doing it in circles, all right? And then I'm going to draw other little ones in the corners like this. Okay, so I'm going to draw that right there. Maybe try and vary them in size. I'll do a bigger one right here. Maybe a tinier one right here. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the word pop in the middle, all right? So you want to think of how you're writing the word, all right? So I think I'm going to make mine look really like puffy, like balloons. Okay, maybe I will make them just balloons. And then I'm going to do the letter O. And then the other P. Now, if this happens to you, like you're drawing a little bit out of the, if you're drawing over like the explosion, just erase it. It's fine. Okay. Turn these in balloons. Okay, pop. So there you go. I'm ready to roll now. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to think of what I want to put behind them. Okay. So pop, I think I'm just going to do, I think I'm just going to keep it simple, and I'm just going to do stripes. Notice I'm just drawing around. I'm doing my best. I'm eyeing like that, all right? Now, your next step, I would say, it would be a good idea to outline your explosions and your letters, all right? So, like I'm going to do blue around here. And think about what colors you're going to use. Okay. Taking my time. All right. And then, you know what? I think I'm going to do another one like this. I'm just going to make it a little bit thicker. I mean, what you come up with your own designs, it's totally up to you. Okay. Okay, I'm just going around. And then I think for my actual words here, I'm going to do the red. going to go around like that. Okay, and I'm going to use a little bit of value, okay, to make it look like they're round. So I'm going to take a little bit of black, because remember, value, I'm not pushing super hard. And then I'm going to take some white and give it a shine over here, shine it up to make it feel a little more round, okay? And I'm going to do the same over here, like this. I'm not going to forget to outline that. Take a little bit of the black. I'm not pushing down super hard, like if you're going to do something like this. And then I blend it with the red, like that. And then I take the white and I blend it over here. And then I'm going to do the same for my red. Okay. And then I'm going to do the black again. I'm not pushing super hard. I'm going to blend it with the red to help make it not so and then I'm going to add some white on the opposite side. We're going to learn more about this when we get to our Wayne Thiebaud cakes, about shading. All right, but there's my pop. All right, and then I'm going to do yellow and white on the inside for my stripes, like that, because I want it really to pop. And be careful when you get to the edges if you did something like me, because I'm getting some blue in there that's making green. So just be careful when you're doing that. Okay. There we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trace these, the pops, and I'm going to kind of do a pattern. I'm going to do red, blue, and if you notice, what colors am I using? I'm using the primary colors, right? But I know you guys already know that. That's first grade stuff. So you guys are practically art masters. Okay. I'm going to shade this in real quick. And then the last thing I need to do is I'm going to shade in all around, and I'm going to shade in with yellow. So just think about what colors you're going to use. I wanted to be true to like Roy Lichtenstein style here, and I colored in with primary colors because that's what they used in the 60s in comics. But you can use whatever colors you want. And think about your word, all right? And what colors you think will work with that word. I just thought this would work with mine, all right? So there's my onomatopoeia art, thinking of Roy Lichtenstein. So I can't wait to see yours. Think of a good onomatopoeia sound effect word. And I can't wait to see these, all right, fourth grade? So until next time, take care.